Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will learn how to make MSI monitor crosshair smaller. Most MSI gaming monitor have a built-in crosshair feature. You can change the size, style, color, and position using the OSD menu. Let's see the solution of the problem step by step. Step 1. Open OSD menu. Press the joystick button at the back bottom of the monitor, then go to the Dramin, moving the joystick up and down to select Dramin and right press. Then step 3, select crosshair. Go to crosshair and press right. Then step 4, adjust size. Select size and adjust it to smaller value and moving to the next point. Step 5, save and exit. Press the joystick button to confirm, then exit the menu. Here are the quick tips value and lower the size value to make the crosshair smaller. Minimum size available may vary by model. Small styles can look smaller than others and position. Adjust the crosshair position if need. Crosshair is shown only while your monitor refresh rate is set to the one supported by the crosshair feature. Here are the crosshair styles example and small crosshair settings. You can also see and note the values, and you find any problem and error doing this, you can also go to their official website for more MSI support and help. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.